Hello, friends. Thanks for cooking with the Delks today, where our meals are simple, delicious, and affordable in the kitchen and on the griddle. Today, we are making a low-carb, keto-friendly cabbage casserole. We are going to start by chopping one head of cabbage. Next, we are going to chop 1 1/2 red onions. Grease your casserole dish. Add your cabbage and spread evenly. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add the onion and spread evenly over the cabbage. Next, we are going to create a low-carb cream of chicken soup. We begin by melting 1 stick of butter. Next, add 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Mix in 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Then 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Add 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning. Then add 1 can of chunk chicken. Remove the mixture from heat. Lastly, add 1 cup of mayonnaise to your mixture. Top the cabbage and onion with the mixture and spread evenly. Add 8 ounces of cheddar cheese to the casserole, and now we are ready to bake. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and consider subscribing to our channel.